So I was creating a tutorial on how to send email with HTML and attachments. And if I try to run this, I get this error that says ModuleNotFoundError, NoModuleNamed.env. Now let's see how to fix this quickly and easily. Also, if you want to check out the email sending tutorial, don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay updated. All right, to fix this, the simple step is to write python-m pip install python-dotenv. Now, if you are using a virtual environment, make sure you activate the virtual environment and then enter this command. If you are not using a virtual environment, it is a good practice to set up virtual environment and then install your dependency in a virtual environment so that it can keep your project-specific dependencies segregated from other projects. Anyway, hit enter. And this will install python.env in your virtual environment if you have activated it. If not, it will install python.env in system-wide dependencies. And once it is done, you can just run your code and you won't get this error later on. So this time, as you can see, there's no error and the code is being executed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.